Solo. You are Solomon.
Yes.
Ah man, you see, this guy, you are the one that always wanting. Man, your comedy skits, they are very hilarious.
Thank you, sir.
And you are really helping the society.
Thank you, sir.
There was even the same time I was in your office and I was in a very bad mood. But when I came across your skits, guess what happened? Wow. My mood changed.
Wow.
I was very happy.
Thank you, sir.
Man, you are really doing well.
Thank
you are doing very well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I don't have much on me, but you see this little $100. Just manage it.
Wow. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Then you know what? You will send me your account number. Because
okay,
I really need to bless you today.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, we are very
Thank
important.
You, thank you, sir.
One more thing. You see, anytime you want to do those skits,
yes, sir.
My house is available.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
anytime.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Anytime. My house is very much available. I have a very conducive environment where you can always shoot your skits.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah?
Thank you, sir.
Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Do that thing again for me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I would have asked you to do the running for me too, but there is no need. There's no time for that. Let me just say, I want nothing to do.
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
See, for worry, people they hate you. See, one my even job us carry our money go say you dey call. Now you are still like this,
boss.
Brother Solo.
Boss.
See, I'm your big fan.
Thank you, boss.
What did they do for you now?
I become see person for the town before.
See, that's not the case. Today na my guy birthday. Ebenezer Ogbewi, Chili Benny of South Africa now. See, we'll go shut down birthday. That guy love you. If that guy, see, even when we dey out here, if everywhere done, the guy they bring your video, especially that row when they run like this. Brother, so see, now here you lodge.
Now here lodge.
Too big pass this hotel now. You see, here too small for you. I'll carry you go another hotel go lodge you.
Thank you, boss.
See,
thank you, boss.
You dey like Oguraga?
Yes, now, boss.
See that one day more to my own before I'll give you.
Thank you, boss. Thank
hey.
you.
Hello. You're up there with this one.
Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss.
Yeah. See, you just pass some time with him, okay? I'll come and pick you tomorrow. Okay. Good guy.
Thank you, boss.
Yeah, boss. See, we'll see. I'll transfer that money for you. Okay. And they will come.
Thank you, boss.
All right. Brother Solo be that. Brother Solo. I talk Bro, see.
Boss.
If you like, wear face mask, wear anything, I go see know you.
Well done, boss.
You know since when I don't follow you,
Hey, boss.
I subscribe to your YouTube. Oh boy, now you be this.
Boss.
See this guy, yo. Baba, see Baba, you too funny.
Thank you, boss.
See before you even think of any concept, before you even shoot am, YouTube don't notify me.
Boss.
Brother Solo,
boss.
See I talk and say anywhere for see you, all my data I don't take they watch you since you give me my data.
Boss, let me say we really dey get anything on. I just say we dey do am make una just take dey laugh, you know that.
Which one be we just dey do am to make una laugh? I tell you say I no dey see wetin dey make me laugh for us. No, if I dey waka for road, I no dey see something wey go make me laugh. When you give my money, which one be that way dey talk?
Nothing dey.
Oh, but give my data now. You know how much data I don't burn for your head. Oh, but give my money. You want to fool me for where your friend is? Give me my data when I tell they watch you. Come. You not tell this guy how me today. Wait, you not tell him about me? I want you know what?
Jesus is Lord.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me.